Hi everyone, Audrey here with Collective. The Microsoft Ignite conference released a ton of new awesome features across the Power Platform. I will be doing an overview of the latest and greatest features from Azure and Power Apps. Our team members Greg and Yusuf will be releasing some more in-depth how-to tutorial videos on how to leverage these new features. Here are some of my favorite Azure updates and features announced at the conference. The two new features in Azure Cognitive Search are going to be great in helping you securely access data for your search service and also register it as a trusted service. Specifically, the feature Private Endpoints now allows you to connect to a data source behind Azure Virtual Network. Managed Identities feature will provide role-based access control assignments, which will enable a secure connection between an indexer and the data source. Azure Machine Learning now offers new capabilities that make it easier to build and deploy models your way with visual tools and data pre-processing capabilities, as well as added security features. For example, ML-assisted labeling enables customers to apply automated machine learning for faster labeling. There's a new usage-based optimization feature that analyzes usage patterns in Power BI and shares the information with Azure Synapse to improve query performances. The release of Backup Center for Azure will help you centrally manage and expand backups at scale and also restore options across vaults, subscriptions, and tenants. Additionally, Backup Center provides a built-in capability to trigger any backup-related actions such as defining and tracking governance with deep integration with Azure policies. I'm super excited about the announcements of Power Platform updates. Microsoft Power Automate Desktop delivers robotic process automation for users. This will allow non-coders to automate processes quickly without writing a single line of code. Additionally, it provides complete control and flexibility for advanced users, programmers, and developers in an environment that's familiar. Perhaps the most useful new release is Power BI Premium now offers per user licensing to enhance access to data insights with competitive pricing for organizations of all sizes. Last but not least, Microsoft also announced the enhanced integration features for Power BI app for Teams. This will make it easier to discover data across the organization and quickly create visualizations from Excel data sets right within Teams and to collaborate more effectively and make decisions based on real-time insight. This creates a centralized place for users to find and analyze data while enhancing usage of Excel and Teams with embedded channel, chat, and meeting experiences. Thank you guys for listening to this quick overview of the Microsoft Ignite conference highlights. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos about these new features to come. For more videos from me and the team, follow Collective on LinkedIn and YouTube.